Today I'm going to discuss a very important topic, that is your blood. So we all know that blood is your connective tissue and its composition is your fluid matrix, plasma and formed element. So plasma it will contain water and protein. Water content is about 90 to 92% and protein 6 to 8%. Fibrinogen is your clotting factor. Globulin is involved in your defense mechanisms and albumins will help in osmotic balance. And in serum there is absence of fibrinogen. Plasma without clotting factor is serum. So come to the formed element. We know that formed elements are composed of erythrocyte, leukocytes and platelets. Erythrocytes is about 5 million to 5.5 millions millimeter inverse cube of blood, and it is formed in bone marrow. Nucleus is not present in your erythrocytes. Its shape is biconcave and it is red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin are present in your erythrocyte. Now come to leukocytes. Leukocytes is nucleated. It is about 6000 to 8000 millimeter inverse cube of blood. It is short-lived and it will contain granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes will further divide it into neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils. Agranulocytes are divided into lymphocytes and monocytes. So erythrocytes, one of the most important role in your respiration, that is its role in respiratory gases, and it will destroy in spleen. Spleen is also called as graveyard of RBC. In erythrocyte there is no hemoglobin, that's why it is colorless and white WBC. We call it at WBC. And granulocytes, neutrophils, it is phagocytic, and monocytes is also phagocytic. Phagocytic means it will destroy the foreign organisms entering the body. Basophils will secrete histamine, serotonin and heparin, and also involved in your inflammatory reaction. This is all about your blood. Now this is also important, that is your blood group. We know that there are two type of blood group systems, ABO and RH. ABO blood group system is due to the presence of your antigen and antibody on RBC. And RH system is also due to the presence of RH positive and RH negative antigen on your RH antigen on WBC, on RBC. What is erythroblastosis fetalis? We know that it occurs due to the RH incompatibility between the mother and the fetus, and it will resulting in severe anemia and sometimes the death of the fetus. This is fibrin. It is a clot, and network of thread are formed called fibrin. And enzymes is your thrombin enzyme is important in fibrin. Thrombin formed from inactive substance prothrombin. Calcium ions play a very important role in your clotting factors, fibrin.